Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace a Honda Civic brake light. First, gather your essential tools, including a Phillips head screwdriver and the correct replacement bulb. Make sure your Civic is parked securely on a level surface. Then, open your trunk to gain access to the brake light assembly. This initial preparation makes the entire process much smoother. Next, you'll need to locate the two retaining clips or screws that secure the tail light assembly. These are usually visible once the trunk is open. Carefully remove these fasteners, setting them aside in a safe place. Once loosened, gently pull the entire tail light assembly straight away from the vehicle. Be mindful not to force it, as plastic components can be fragile. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more useful car maintenance tips. Quick recommendation: for all your DIY manuals and guides, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's perfect for reading anywhere, even in the garage. You can find a link to the Kindle and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Now that the assembly is free, twist the bulb socket counterclockwise to detach it from the housing. The old brake light bulb can then be pulled straight out of the socket. Take your new 7440 or 7443 bulb and firmly insert it into the socket. Avoid touching the glass part of the new bulb with your bare hands to prevent oil transfer, which can shorten its lifespan.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.